Here we go, CNC Group break number 4831. We're going to start with the 14-15 Upper Deck Series 1 and 13-14 Select. So good luck, everybody. All right, Young Guns for the Detroit Red Wings, Andre Nestrasil. Canvas for the Calgary Flames, Matt Stachin. Upper Deck game jersey for the Detroit Red Wings, Jimmy Howard. Sick. Oh, I kind of want this card just because I know where it is. We got a day with the cup for the LA Kings, Tanner Pearson. I was there, kind of. Day with the cup, Tanner Pearson. Pearson brought the trophy back home for a visit to his old dressing room of the AAA Kitchener Rangers. That's pretty sick hit, actually, for Series 1. Young Guns for the Calgary Flames, Johnny Gaudreau. Johnny Hockey. Joe, I might need to talk to you about that one. Hockey Heroes for the New Jersey Devils, Martin Brodeur. Johnny Hockey. Upper Deck game jersey for the Philadelphia Flyers, Eric Lindros. Young Guns for the Nashville Predators, Callie Yarncrook. Callie Yarncrook. Canvas for the Philadelphia Flyers, Jakub Voracek. Shining Stars for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Phil Kessel. Base. Young Guns for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Greg McKegg. Captain McKegg. Hockey Heroes for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Martin St. Louis. Shining Stars for the Dallas Stars, Tyler Seguin. Canvas for the Dallas Stars, Antoine Roussel. Young Guns for the Buffalo Sabres, Jake McCabe. Base. Base. Shining Stars Blue for the Chicago Blackhawks, Jonathan Toews. Canvas for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Morgan Riley. Young Guns for the New York Rangers, Anthony Duclair. Shining Stars Blue for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Phil Kessel. Shining Stars for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Evgeny Malkin. And base. Now on to the Select. We got a Fire on Ice Refractor, number 21 of 25 for the Washington Capitals, Alex Ovechkin. And a rookie for the Flyers, Matthew Conan, the Barbarian. We've got a Youth Explosion autograph for the New York Islanders, Anders Lee. Refractor for the Rangers, Derek Brassard. Select Future for the Ottawa Senators, Mika Zibanejad. And a rookie for the Flames, Carter Banks. Kick eater. We've got a rookie jersey prime and auto refractor, numbered 4 of 25 for the LA Kings, Tyler Toffoli. Fire on Ice for the Anaheim Ducks, Emerson Edom. And a refractor for the Kings, Mike Richards. All right, coming up, the Retro and SP Authentic.